Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. New week and new weather pattern arriving soon for us. We'll just have another day or two of these record highs that set up over the weekend and will likely continue today, close to 90 degrees or so. But this is the week we finally have a stronger cold front on the way, and that front will get here late Wednesday, early Thursday. So into Halloween morning, we're watching the potential, maybe a window where we could see some severe weather and then some cooler air dropping in later this week. We can look forward to a run of days in the 70s and low 80s. So we'll say goodbye to the record highs after Tuesday, but a decent chance we'll tie or break the record in Shreveport again today. The record high is just 87, and that should be beatable by a few degrees this afternoon. So I think Shreveport will wind up close to 90 degrees. Probably a few high-level clouds later today, but expecting it will stay mostly sunny for us. Feels great this morning, so you can definitely beat the heat early in the day, and we do expect some fog. There's actually some dense fog south of us, so we're going to see how close that will get by sunrise, but I expect down towards Manny and Natchitoches we'll see some dense fog early this morning. That will lift quickly, and under those mostly sunny skies we'll see those highs in the mid to upper 80s this afternoon. Texarkana, your record is 93, so likely just shy of the record there, coming in at 87 degrees. So you can see a few of the clouds that are sort of getting stirred up by our cold front that's back to the west here, and this is a pretty impressive storm system that will be moving across the country here over the next few days. There is a window. This will be Wednesday evening into early Thursday morning, so maybe some of that into the overnight hours. We expect some storms will get going here close to the Red River and kind of move into the Arklatex. Looks to be mainly a wind and hail threat for us, but those storms will be strongest probably late Wednesday evening into Wednesday night, and I would expect those storms will kind of fizzle as they move east as we get towards Halloween morning. So again, it's not a widespread severe weather threat, mainly confined to these areas north of I-30, but something to be mindful of as we go through the week. We'll get that severe weather threat kind of dialed in for you over the next few days. It's been a few months since we had to talk about that, so again, getting into our secondary severe weather season that we usually see in the fall months here. So we'll go through time. We'll take you through that threat for weather again today. We're looking at the mostly sunny conditions and likely a few more clouds. Pretty breezy day on Tuesday, and you can see some rain popping up by Wednesday afternoon. Main line of storms here would be coming in just after sunset. Those would be the storms here that would be capable of those severe weather hazards, and again, those will probably fizzle out by the time we get to Thursday morning, but the front will stay stalled close to us, so we could see some showers and storms here at times late Thursday into Friday as well. The trick-or-treat forecast, I would say, is in pretty good shape the way it stands right now, but we'll have to keep an eye on that this week. But most importantly, we just need to get some rain in here, especially with the fire danger that we've had, and you can see about 1 to 2 inches of rain expected over the next 7 days. It's a decent amount for us, so hopefully that will help out with some of the burn bans that we've seen developed. And again, burn bans in effect for just about all counties and parishes here until we can get some decent rainfall, which may happen later this week, and we'll finally get some nicer temperatures as well. Possible tying or breaking some records on Tuesday, but then we should cool into the 70s late this week with overnight lows in the 50s and 60s, and we'll actually keep that slight chance of rain going over the weekend as well.